and I want to go over how much you could be getting in the Hudson Valley or New York City or any of those areas. So let's get into the video. So around, we're just gonna jump right into it. By the way, on Thursday, around 7 a.m. Snow is starting into New York City, maybe heavy at times on the west side of New York City. If you see right here, west side of New York City, snow. And Philadelphia and Washington might be getting some mixed precipitation, but we'll see. So, snow starts to move into New York City. I would say around 11 to 4 p.m. That's when it's going to be the most heaviest, and then by the evening hours on Thursday, it's going to be out of the whole area. It's going to go north and out. It'll go into Burlington and Portland and Boston. So now let's get into the later hours. Not temperatures. 10 a.m. Now New York City is at heavy snow showers, starting to get into Hartford, and north of that, it's not there yet. It's lighter. 1 p.m. It moves a little bit north from New York City. Heavier snow shower starts to get into Orange County and parts of the Hudson Valley. Not in Albany yet. 4 p.m. That's when you could be getting a little heavier snow. So more north you go, it's not going to be as heavy. And this is just not that storm to go that far. But New York City and a little bit north of that in the Hudson Valley, you'll be getting I would say 5 to 9 inch range. You would be pretty lucky if you got 9 inches. But it's not impossible, but it's also not likely. So, and New York City might get some mixing, so that might cut totals. So maybe just like 3 inches for New York City. So now the hazards are winter. Wow, those are not hazards. Hazards are there's winter storms warnings in effect for New York City tomorrow, and all around the area. Winter advisories and everything. So temperatures, they're gonna be. I mean, it has to be low for it to cold. So in the upper 20s and mid 20s. Wind, not too much. Maybe 8 miles per hour. Not much. Sky cover, pretty cloudy if it's gonna snow. Snow amounts. Now let's see this. So 3 inches for New York City, the National Weather Service is saying. Maybe one's in Philadelphia, almost 4 inches. Yeah, so now let's go around 4 p.m. Maybe 2.2 inches, wow. 2 inches in the evening hours. Not like I said, not much is not going to be the blockbuster storm. And like the Hudson Valley, 2 inches, and Newburgh, that's what it says, 2 inches. But plus the inches that we got at 7 a.m. So maybe 3 inches in Boston, or not Boston. What am I saying? Newburgh. So whatever's in Newburgh, if you're in Newburgh, everybody else that's around there in the Hudson Valley is probably around 4 inches. New York, you got maybe 5 inches plus maybe 5 inches in New York. So if you live in New York, you get a little bit more, since it's not really going up into the Hudson Valley too much. It's like not much. It's just going east of. It's not really making it higher enough to make the snow totals go up in the north New York City. Ice, nothing really. Maybe a little bit of ice in Washington D.C. and Philadelphia. Not much. So that's basically it. I just want to cover that of how much snow we could be potentially getting for tomorrow. Not much, like I said. It's not going to be the blockbuster storm that we got in the beginning of February. So, I just wanted to make this video, guys, for you guys to know how much snow you could be getting if you live in the Northeast and all that. So, I'm going to leave this, or I'm going to end this video, and peace out.